good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Why am I starting the vlog this morning? I shouldn't be the one starting the vlog this morning. Babe should be.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday, no?
Yes, it's my birthday, you guys. Tyler sang me happy birthday this morning. Babe, tell me, from last week they've been telling me, honey, you need to go and buy a swimsuit that you're comfortable in. Honey, you need to go and get a swimsuit. And because it's change of season here in France, I couldn't find a one piece. So of course I pull out one of the two piece that I have. So I'll be flaunting my 2 months postpartum body on whichever beach that we'll be going. All I know is that we're going to a beach, but baby is not telling me which beach and where.
You want to know?
Yes, I want to know.
So take your phone and tell you the name.
You're a hot mess.
Yeah, take your phone, keep the camera on, take your phone and I tell you.
Okay. Last birthday he surprised me and take me to Saint Tropez and I was so excited. And this birthday I have no clue where we're heading at the moment. So he said I'm to take my phone, he's gonna tell me. I have my map.
You go on Google.
Google.
Not Google Map.
Google.
You're on
Okay.
Google. L-E-S.
L-E-S.
Space. Sal. S-A-L-L-E-S.
S-A-L-L-E-S.
Space.
Space.
D-U.
Okay.
You got it? Space. V-E-R-D-O-N. You see it?
You lie!
Yeah.
Choo-choo?
You don't want to go?
Of course! Is a place in the blue water?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Choo-choo, honey?
Yeah.
I've been wanting to go to this place ever since one of my friend went and took a picture and sent me. It's a place that have blue water and I've been wanting to go there. I've been telling me, oh my god, my phone fell. I've been telling me that I want to go to this place and he's surprising me and taking me there. Awesome!
Well, we're not there yet.
We're not there yet, but hey, I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for the surprise, honey. You did it again. Good job, babe.
That's right.
Good job, babe. Good job. Anyway, you guys, now it feels like my birthday.
Really?
Yes. Anyway, you guys, your girl turns 31 today. Yes, Ty?
Today I'm happy that you did this.
Aww. What did you say?
Thank you.
What did you say? What did you just say to Mama?
I'm happy that it is your birthday.
Oh, why are you happy that it's my birthday?
Because every day when it's people's birthday, I'm happy.
Oh, you're the sweetest. I have the sweetest 2 kids in the entire world. Sorry, I know every parent say that, but honestly, I have. Why that car coming this way?
It was coming from Wisconsin.
Oh, I honestly do have one of the sweetest sons in the entire world. Anyway, you guys, I know you guys will be wishing me lots and lots of happy birthday down in the comment section. So I'll be going ahead right now and tell you guys thank you. The love and the positivity energy has received. I'm receiving all the blessings and everything that will be coming my way, and I'll be looking forward to many more years in this life, especially with my family. Anyway, you guys, let's go and enjoy this birthday. Fatty, smiley girl. Say hello to Faves.
Hello, Faves. What are you doing?
Come. Oh, you guys. Alright, leave her. You guys, we make a quick stop at McDonald's to get some lunch. Stop, guy. Stop, you're talking to Fibs or not? And of course, Babe surprised me and taking me to somewhere that I've always wanted to go. I can't wait for you guys to see with me and discover with me. And yeah, it's a very, very beautiful spot, and I can't wait to reach there. So we're at McDonald's trying to get some lunch, and Babe is across the street, run to pick up some water for us to carry. Because of course we're not coming from home directly. The water that we have, we drank it on the way because it's a little dry. So we're gonna need more water for the day. Stop doing that. Anyway, you guys, we're stopping and eating, and then we're gonna head back on the road. Where we have about 50 minutes before we reach where we're going. So we need to be well on our way. So we'll see you guys when we get to our destination. Going. Princess is here, looking scrumptious. Hello. Can I get a smile? There we go, my sweet girl. You guys, we are slowly approaching my surprise spot. And you guys, this place, the landscape here is so pretty. It's so beautiful. But I can't wait to reach, actually, to start seeing that blue water. Where we're going, the water is literally blue or green, whichever color you want to call it. But I'm looking forward to reaching there. But we're almost there. We're enjoying the landscape along the way, along the drive. We've been driving for about 2 hours and a half. The kids are sleeping in the back. Tyler is out. Sarah is out. And Babe and I just enjoying the landscape. But we're almost at our destination. We're like 15 minutes out. So where we're gonna finally stop, and we're seeing a little bit of civilization now, because we're literally going through the mountains. So all we're seeing is people parachuting, farms of lavender and honey and sunflower, which is really beautiful to look at. But we're coming up now onto some hotels and small little houses, which look really cute within the mountainside. And we're actually seeing more vehicle on the road. So we're almost there. I'm enjoying this birthday travel so far. Thanks, Babe, for the surprise.
Oh, welcome.
Babe loves seeing this mountainside. Look at that. So pretty up there. And you guys, there's a parachute right here. If you guys look really close, you'll see a guy parachuting up there. I can imagine just parachuting over that green water, how beautiful it looks, don't it? It'll be really pretty. And the place, if you guys are in France or ever visiting France and you guys wondering where this place is, what's the name of the place, honey, that we're going?
Exactly, is Gorge du Verdon. And we're going to Lac de Sainte-Croix, and Les Salles de Verdon is the little village, because there's different village. So this first one is
the one we're going.
Yeah.
Salles de Verdon. So
yeah. The lake is very big, and you have a lot
different
of
villages around.
So the one we're going is Les Salles du Verdon.
Okay, cool. I'm excited. Okay, you guys, we already start seeing the water, and that's the view from where we are right now. The water is literally green, so it's not blue, it's green. It's green. So this is where we're going. Look look at the water, how green and beautiful it is. Hopefully you guys can get to see this really good. And they have boats that you pedal and it takes you. How cool. So cool. And you have the little rafting that you can do by the hand.
Look at that. The water literally green, beautiful. I want to do this boat things. It just looks so amazing.
We're trying to find a spot. We can walk along there? Okay. Okay, we're gonna go all the way down where that blue umbrella is. Look like a good spot.
Where are we going?
Go catch back, Papa. You're walking too slow. So you have life jackets that you can obviously rent and go on these kayaks. But I'm not sure I'm gonna do this, shawty. So you have a kayaking station here. But this little one, I ain't doing this little one. More like the pedaling one, but God, it's scary. It's time. So we're gonna find somewhere to put our umbrella and relax. This guy's parachuting right over our heads. You guys, we are here. We have arrived at our destination and it is just absolutely beautiful. It's everything that I imagined and more. Sarah is still sleeping from our car ride. Babe and Tella is going to find out about the boat because Tella been wanting to go on the boat forever. But if they're gonna go on it, they're gonna go on the bigger one, which is used for the pedaling. And I definitely won't go because I won't take Sarah on any boat like that size. To capsize, honey. No, darling. So I tell Babe that him and Tella can go and have the birthday experience on the boat for me. But it's just absolutely beautiful here. It's just gorgeous. So this is the view in front of me. We are right here. Look at this water. It's actually a lake though, you guys. It's not a beach, it's a lake. It's a green lake. So you see a lot of people in the water on boats, pedaling and having fun, family time. people tanning, but the thing is there's a lot of different areas around the lake that you can stop. So we just chose to stop at this one, and I get to understand a lot of people camp out here too throughout the year, so that's really cool. So yeah, we're here and we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Look at my babies. It cold? It cold, babe? That's all like yes. Wet him up tie, wet him up tie, wet him tie, wet him tie, wet him. Yes, tie, wet him. You want me to come?
Yes.
I can't leave, sister.
Oh, say.
I can't leave, sister. I have to stay with her. Okay? Y'all, duty calls. The water is so cold, but once you're in, it feels really nice. And I'm having such a good time with the boys. And they are having an even better time than me. Your brother cray. Yes, he's crazy. What is that? Tell her. Die. So look at the milk running out Sarah's mouth. Sarah, you're puking. Tell her, up off me with your elbow. Kick him, Sarah. Kick him. Tell her, take your elbow off my boobs. Is the camera still on?
Yeah, what I'm gonna do is YouTube.
He's spit apple on me. Take the apple off me. Take the apple. Tell her, take them off of me. Die. Take them off of me. You see your brother's there? Move.
Take it down.
You see book in your nose?
No. Boo, boo, boo.
Sava my bed. You guys, we are in the middle of the water. I was brave enough to go on the boat. Sarah falling asleep. I'm gonna put on her life jacket as soon as she fell asleep. It's right here in her car seat. Baby's pedaling. Baby's working out, getting his workout in. And it's a pedal boat actually. It's a good size, so we're safe. And Tala is there, but Tala is so short, he can't catch the pedal. Tala, you can't catch the pedal, right? You're too short, because you have to sit. That's where we're coming from, all the way out there. Oh, this is cool. This is my first step of bravery into the water. You'll never get me to do this ever. But this is good. We're gonna go under the bridge. Ah? You already feel your foot? Ah? Ah. Oh. Under the bridge we go. Under the bridge we go. It feels cool as the bridge coming up. Ooh. Hey, we're going under the bridge. Under the bridge. Ooh. Right now, this one and this one, and the sun is gone. Sorry, I just finished feeding. Look at her chilling. Bye. No, don't touch it. You're too short. Babe getting a full workout. Wow. Oh my God, what a beauty.
It's just 10 minutes.
Really? Dang, can we go through that hole? Huh? Over that dark hole. Turn around, look this way. Hello. Thailand, Papa. Hi.
One more horse coming.
Oh, we're in the middle. Hi. Say hi, Finn.
Hi, Finn.
You having fun?
Yeah.
It's so cool now that the sun is gone. Jeez, feels so good.
Hey guys, we're having a new pilot. Woo!
Okay, let it go. Jala, let it go. Let it go. Wait. Mama learning how to drive.
So now I can relax.
Why do I choose to take it when there is a lot of people in front of me? What if I crash?
Let me enjoy it.
What if I crash?
Let me enjoy it.
Hello? Oh, Jesus Christ. Baby, I don't know if this was a good idea.
Let me enjoy it.
Was this a good idea?
Yes, it was a good idea.
Jesus Christ.
Turn right. There's nobody there, so you can just go there.
Yeah, and if I hit the rock, then what?
You're not gonna eat the rock. Why you want to eat the rock? The way is not big enough. It's like 10 boats can go front. Look how big is the way. Look at the amount of water you have on your side.
There's a boat on my left.
You have a boat, you have 3 boats on your left. You also have a flamingo on your left.
You see the flamingo time?
We're gonna crash. Nah.